Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the 3.5 millimeter audio to Apple cord from the company ONGAHON. I won't even try and pronounce that, but at least you can get an idea of who the company is that sells this. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's it packaged like, etc. So there's not a whole lot to the packaging, basically just a little plastic bag here. It's got their Amazon barcode on it. And then the cord itself. So you might be sitting out there wondering, now what are you going to use a cord like that for? For somebody like me, I've got an Apple device that I want to connect to a set of headphones. And the new Apple devices, this old one has a headphone jack on it, but the new ones, they took away the headphone jack, so all you have is your charge cord adapter there. And that's what this adapter does for you, is it allows you to plug in one end of this into your Apple device, newer Apple device, and then you take your other end and you can plug it into any stereo system that will take a 3.5 millimeter jack. So now when I'm doing yard work, I can have my Apple device playing music to my headphones. It's a cheap little gadget, but if you've got a need for it, it can definitely help out. Not a whole lot to show you. The quality seems very good. That's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.